patterns and designs on socks. This printer usually uses digital printing technology and can print a variety of graphics, text, and patterns directly onto the sock fabric. Sock printers can achieve personalization and small batch production to meet the market's demand for customized products. The working principle of a sock printer usually involves the following steps. Preparation. First, the socks need to be fixed in the appropriate position of the printer to ensure that the socks are flat and accurately positioned. Printing. The printer uses digital printing technology, such as inkjet or thermal transfer technology, to spray ink or pigment directly onto the sock fabric to form the desired pattern. Drying and color fixing. After printing, the socks need to be dried to ensure that the ink or pigment is fixed on the fabric and will not fall off or smudge. This may involve hot air drying or other color fixing processes. Post-processing. At the end, some post-processing may also be required, such as ironing or steaming, to enhance the washability and wear resistance of the pattern. This video is here. Follow us to get more information about digital socks printers.